see these problems based on ideal gas equations. So we'll see problem one by one, and let us see how these ideal gas equations can be utilized over solving these problems. So what mass of neon should be introduced into an evacuated 0.88 liter tube to produce a pressure of 90 kilopascal at 30 degrees centigrade? So this question is very easy. Volume is given, and here pressure given, temperature given. So we need to find mass. Okay, mass means we can use formula. So that is PV equal to W by M into R into T. So we can put directly over values. So we need to find mass of the neon. So that is pressure is given here 90 kilopascal, means that is 90. Okay, then volume is given here 0.88. okay, and then here weight is given W, and molar mass of neon is 20. So here you can write it, molar mass of neon is, that is 20, and R is given 8.314, and here temperature is given 30 degree, means 303 Kelvin. So on solving this is 90 kilopascal, so we can write here 90 into 10 to the power 3. Okay, so on solving we will get here weight is equal to 0.63 gram. Okay, this is our answers. A lungful of air 3.55 centimeter cube is exhaled into a machine that measures lung capacity. So this lung capacity, if this air is passed to the lungs, exhaled into the lung, into a machine that measures lung capacity. So from machine, if this much volume is coming out from the lungs, so this will measure what is the lung capacity of the lung capacity. This machine, if the air is exhaled from the lungs at a pressure of 1.08 atmosphere, this is 1.08 atmospheric pressure at 37 degrees centigrade, but the machine is at ambient conditions of 0.0958 atmosphere at 20 and 23 degrees centigrade. What is the volume of air measured by the machine? So we can see here there are two things is there. One is the pressure of the lung. Okay, how much pressure is in the lungs and how much pressure is present in the machine. So machine is measuring the pressure of the lungs. So we will find the difference of two pressure, that is lungs and machine. So what is the pressure of the lung? What is the pressure of the machine? So again you can use the same formula, PV equal to nRT. So in lungs, what is the pressure? So in lungs the pressure is, everything is given, 1.08 is the pressure, then volume is 3.55 here given here, and you can divide by 1000. Moles given, pressure, atmospheric pressure you can use 0.0821, and temperature is 310, that is 23 degrees centigrade. So you can 37 degrees centigrade, so 310. So this is nothing but the 273 plus 37. So and in machine it is given here 0.958 is the pressure, and volume is V, that is we don't know the volume of the machine, and N is the same moles of gas. Pressure is 0.821, and again temperature is 296. Okay, so we can see here, so this if you divide it this by this, so dividing 1 by 2, so here we will get here volume is equal to 3.82 into 10 to the power minus 3. So this is our answer. This is your ml. So this is volume is given here like liter, this will be your liter. A closed container of volume 0.02 meter cube contains a mixture of neon and argon gases at temperature 27 degrees centigrade and pressure. So pressure given, temperature both are given, and volume also given, and they consist of neon and argon. The total mass of the mixture is 28 gram. So if the gram molecular mass of neon and argons are 20 and 80 respectively, find the mass of the individual gas in the container, assuming them to be ideal. So here the two containers are there. So in one container, argon and neons are paired. Volume given, pressure given, temperature given, and their mass of the mixture is given. So you have to take the here mass of the neon and argon respectively. So we have to assume it. So let us assume neon is something A gram you can take, and argon is you can take something B gram. So you take argon B gram, neon A gram. So a total moles of, you can write here, total moles of neon and argon will be how much? So weight by molar mass, you can see here. So A divided by 20 and B divided by 40. So this will give you total mass. Okay, and one more thing is that you can keep in mind, A plus B is given 28 gram. So this is one equation is given, and you can use here PV equal to nRT. So pressure, everything is pressure, volume, and given. So pressure is 10 to the power 5 Pascal, and volume is 0.02, and moles is nothing but this. So you can write here A by 20 plus B upon 40. So this is the moles of the gas. So R you can write 8.1 for Y, because the pressure is 10 to the power 5 and temperature is given here 300. So 2 is there. So on solving 1 into simultaneous equation, this is simultaneous equation. So on solving 1 and 2, so we will get here A is equal to 4 gram and B is equal to 24 grams. So calculation I am not doing, this is the mathematical part, you can solve it. So A is equal to A 4 gram and B is equal to 24 grams. So this is the mass of the individual gases. So nothing is there, it's very simple questions. So on analysis of boron hydride, the percentage composition of boron was found to be 85.7%, and 0.553 gram of this boron compound occupied 407 ml of 373 Kelvin and 0.658 atmospheric pressure. So calculate the molecular formula of boron hydride. So we have to find the boron hydride formula. The first to find the boron hydride, we have to find the molecular mass of the boron hydride. That is important. So again you can see here it is given here percentage composition 85.7%. That is the percentage of boron, and weight is given, volume given, temperature, pressure, everything the compound has in, this is occupying the form of gas. So you can apply PV equals to W by M into RT. So on solving you can see here pressure is given here 0.658 atmospheric pressure. So volume is given here 407. So you can put dot, and this is equal to 0.055 molecular mass, and atmospheric pressure 0.21 into 373. So here if only you solving molecular mass, you will get here 63.23 gram. 63.23 grams. So this is the molecular mass of it. So only M you have to find out. So use mathematics, you will get answers. Now percentage of boron is given how much? 85.7%. okay, where in BXHY. So we can write here 100 gram of BXHY. So here you have how much gram? 85.7 gram for 100 gram. So if the molecular mass is 63.23 grams, we will get the exact molecular mass, that is 85.7 divided by 100 and multiplied by 63.23. So here, so we will solve it. So we will get here 54.19 grams. So this is the molecular mass of the boron, and you know the moles of boron will be how much? So 54.19 divided by 10.8. So this is the molecular mass of boron. This is 10.8. So on solving you will get here 5 moles of boron. So we got 5 moles of boron. Now question is, what is the molecular formula? So BXHY you can say here. So B is 5 moles. So 5 into 10.8 plus y into 1. So molecular mass of the hydrogen is 1. So what is y? So y will be unsolving. This is equal to how much? Molar mass is given here, 63.23 grams. Weight into molar mass, this is given here. So unsolving here, y equal to 9.23, almost 9. So molecular formula of BXHY will be, so B is 5 mole and Y is, H is 9. So B5H, and this is the molecular formula of boron. Now we'll see next problem. The density of helium is 0.7784 kg per meter cube at STP if a given mass of helium at STP is allowed to expand to 1.4 times of its initial volume by changing pressure and temperature. Complete its resultant density. So this helium, this is density, and the volume is expanded to 1.4 times. The gas is expanded, definitely the density will also change. The volume is expanded to 1.4 times of same helium gases. So by changing pressure and temperature. So what is the resultant volume? So we can see here. First you write density of helium is how much at STP. So this is at STP. So density volume will be your 0.17 divided by 84. So this means what? A kilogram per meter cube. So or we can say this is nothing but 0.1784 gram. This is your in 1 liter, because see 1000 liter is equal to 1 meter cube. Okay, so this will be your 1 liter, and this is a kilogram. So kilo I am removing, kilogram removed, so it becomes gram per liter. So in 1 liter we can say 0.1784 gram helium is occupying. So helium is occupied by this much liter. So for how much liter? It is 1.4 times. So for 1.4 times liter, how much will be there? So by changing what? By changing what? Pressure and temperature. So volume is become how much? Volume is 1.4 into V. This means it become volume. So density will be how much? So density will be so most weight will be same only. Okay, and density will be your 1.4 into so V. Okay, so 1.4 into V means this is same. This is 1.4 into 8 previous volume. Previous is this much. This is this much. So if you divide it, so you will get here 0.17274. That is kilogram per meter cube, or you can say 0.1274 gram per liter. So this is our basically answer. So density of a gas is found to be 5.46 per dm cube at 27 degree centigrade. At 2 bar pressure, what will be the density at STP? So here atmospheric pressure, density and temperature given. They are asking STP. So this question is, we can compare STP. We have 0 degree centigrade, pressure is 1 atmospheric pressure. Okay, so two things we know, that we need to find density. Mass will be remain same. So here you can write here P1 M1 is equal to density 1 into R into T1. Second, P2 M2 is equal to density 2 into R into T2. Now question is that M1 is equal to M2 because mass is same gas. If the gas is same, so we will get same molecular mass. So we can write here, you can take this is 1, this is 2. So on solving we will get here take here density 1 by density 2. So this is the density, this is the density. So density 1 by density 2, so this will be equal to density by density, this will be equal to here, sorry, let us write properly. So P1 by P2 into T2 by T1. So here P1 is given how much? So P1 is given 5.46 divided by density of the 2. So if you solve it, you will get here. So no, this is your density, and we can write here 2 into answer is this is 0 degrees 273 Kelvin. This is your, and this divided by 1 into 300. So on solving you will get here density is equal to 3 gram per dm Okay, so this is our answers. A clean, dry, evacuated glass vessel weighs 40.1305 gram. At 25 degrees centigrade, when filled with water, it weighs 138.241 gram. So density of water at this temperature is 0.997 gram per ml. So when propylene was filled in it, when you fill propylene in that, so at 740.4 millimeter mercury and 24 degrees centigrade, it weighs this much. So calculate molar mass of propylene. So here we will find first molar mass of the volume of the flask. So what is the volume of flask? You can see here. So volume of flask, that is V, is equal to mass of the water filled in it, okay, and divide by density of water. So we will get here 138.241 minus 40 minus 1305, it is given here, you can see here, and divide by, this is the mass of the 138, given the mass of the when filled with water. So filled water divide by this much water and divide by 0.9970, so we will get here 9.8 into 10 power minus 2 liter. Okay, and again mass of propylene. So mass of the propylene is 40.2959 minus 401305. So you will get here 0.16554. This is 5 grams. So this you will get mass of the propylene. So this is, if you use the PV equal to nRT, so pressure is given here 740.4 divided by 760, and volume is given 9.8 into 10 power minus 2 liter. So this is given over here. So you can hear, and weight is 0.1654 and divide by molar mass. We need to find this one. R is given here 0.0821 and temperature is 297.1. So molar mass will be here 42 grams. So this is the molar mass of the propylene.